Model, 65-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCI-125PS 330L2 high roof noisy gearbox FSH. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 169656. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox is noisy in all gears, there is a whining sound. It still starts and drives okay but will need replacing sooner or later. Everything else on this van is fantastic: engine, suspension, brakes, etc. Very well maintained vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119